Hello everyone, how is strip off hair from the top side and how split them into 3 parts and how it braided in a thicker manner from top to bottom. So once when you reach the bottom, how the end secure the rubber band. And after that, grab the sides of your hair and how it crisscross each other and how it tighten a little bit and how it secure the rubber band together. And also how another section of the hair right below the first one and how it braided with strips of hair borrowed from the tail we have and going in between the braid. Then after that, complete the braid as the normal way as we do before. And after that, secure the end with the rubber band. Now once when you're done with it, move on to the left side and how strips of hair borrowed from the ponytail we have and how it go in between the braids gap as we did before in this braid. And after that, secure the end with the rubber band after doing it normally and drop in your favorite hair clip collection. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside going for the twisted band. Then have another section of the hair right below the first one and have it on the right side and drop it inside going for the twisted band once more. And do have another section of the hair at the bottom, but this time do it on the left side and split the remaining hair into 2 and have them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you start the braiding, don't forget to pinch off the sides a little bit for making the loopy design. Then after completing the braid, secure the end with the rubber band and have the braid folded into half and secure it on the opposite direction top side. Do the same for the right section as well. Then after that, have your beautiful lovely hair clip collection and drop it on the random parts of your hair. Get the sides of your hair tied in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside going for the twisted band once again. Then have another section of the hair right below it and drop it inside the same way. Then with the remaining section of the hair, split them into 2 ponytails and have each of them split into 2 parts by having a rubber band onto it and make the middle one into a loop and drop the tail into it and drop the entire tail into the second loop we have. And after that, do the same for the remaining part of the tail and repeat the same on the loop again. Do the same for the right side as well. And after that, combine both the tails together into the center and have a rubber band attached to the center of it, then stuff it inside. Tie your hair in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside going for the twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and have the right section go into the left after making it into a ponytail. And also have the left section go into the right, and after that make the left section go back to its own position and do the same vice versa. And after that, combine the tips together with the round band and stuff it inside. Get the sides of your hair tied in the middle and have it crisscross each other and have it tie a knot and have it combined with the rubber band. Then grab another section of the hair right below it and have it in an X manner and drop the left one into the center and have it with the rubber band. Then also have another section of the hair right below the bottom and have it the same way as we did before. And after that, secure the end with the rubber band, drop in your favorite hairpin. Grab the top section of the hair and split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Then grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle. Then have it twist and have it tighten it and have it rubber band in the middle part. Then another section of the hair right below it and make it crisscross each other and have it tighten a little bit. Then have it secure with the rubber band commonly. Then also grab another section of the hair right at the bottom of your hair and have it tied across each other and tie it with the rubber band. Then with the remaining section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and have each of them split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding on the right side and have it crisscross each other and have it secure in the opposite direction. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and split them into 2 parts and have the right part into a loop and drop the tail into it. Have it one more time, that is making it twice. And after that, bring the left section into the loop and have the twisted left section and have it one more time. Do the same by alternative ways until you reach the bottom part of it. And after that, secure the end with the rubber band by bending it over. Thank you everyone for watching this video.